How to use Pulse to gather server feedback on Discord mobile. In order to do that, head over here to your homepage and then just go to the text channel of a server that you're part of. Click on this plus option and then click on this Pulse option. Now from in there, just name this as server feedback. Then just using here the answers, like for example, let's put in here trash, good, and then you can also add another more by clicking on this right here. Could be better. And then let's also get another one, which is best. You can also change the emoji from them. So just look for the perfect emoji that you want for this one. And then just head over and then click on this post. You can also change its duration and you can also allow multiple answers. Click on this post and you should be good to go. So that's how you use Pulse to gather server feedback on Discord mobile. Hope you helped.